Come with me to audition to be the next Scots Vice of the supermarket giant Lidl. Lidl is searching for a Scottish Vice for new self-checkouts to be rolled out in all stores in Scotland this year. It's paired with a £3 million investment to enhance the customer experience throughout the stores and make the shopping experience even better for folk, allowing folk to shop in a way and language that suits them best. Different Vices for our Scotland has had the chance to audition, with this wee audition booth visiting Edinburgh, Dundee, Glasgow, Aberdeen and Inverness. Lidl has a track record of being AFA supportive of the Scots lead. In 2020, the supermarket celebrated their Daft Days by commissioning 12 original Scots poems to be featured in a digital campaign. When you get into the wee all-fan telephone box, you're asked to record 3 wheel-kint phrases that customers hear at the checkouts. As a native of Aberdeenshire for folk speak Doric, I think it's braw that a muckle company want to celebrate linguistic diversity. So, what do we think? Should we hate our self-checkouts with our own language?